Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to order a replacement card on M&T Bank. So let's get started. First, open the M&T mobile banking app. Over here, enter your username and password, then tap on login. After that, once you're on the home screen, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down and tap on card services. Over here, you'll see different options. Tap on order a replacement card. After that, select the reason for replacement. If your card is just damaged, choose replace a card. If it's lost or stolen, choose that option and lock your card for safety. Then tap on the drop down icon and select the card you'd like to replace. After that, you'll see the card details and mailing address. Check if the address is correct, and if everything looks good, tap on submit. Once submitted, you'll see a confirmation pop up. Then tap on finish and your replacement card order will be placed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next